Hey, how are you? In this video, you will see how can you download and install Node.js on your own MacBook. So the list of steps are given on the screen and the first step is go to Node.js website. So you need to go to a browser and type Node.js. Hit enter and the first website you see is the Node.js website. Click on it and you will see the download button. Come back to the steps and the next step is to click on download and install the package. So let's do it. Click on download and download will start. It will take few minutes to download and once the download is completed, you need to install the package. So we have the package downloaded. Just click on this downloaded package and the installation will start. And you will see a window like install node.js. Click on continue. Click on continue again and then agree to the license. Then click on install. Then you will have to enter your password. Just enter the password and click on install software. It will take few minutes again and it will install Node.js on your machine. And finally you will see a message the installation was completed successfully. And the packages which are installed are Node.js 22.14 version and npm, which is the Node package manager 10.9.2 version. So click on close and you can delete the package now. We have the next step completed. Node and npm will get installed. So yes, it is installed now. And to verify it, run the below commands. First run node-v and you have to run it on a terminal. So I have my terminal open and you will have to run the command node-v and click on enter and you will see the node version. And yes, we have this node version as 22.14. Check the next command npm-v to check node package manager version. npm-v, hit enter and you will see the node package manager version. So you have node and npm both installed on the Mac machine and now you can use node to create different kind of node projects. So I hope you like this video and this video will help you. And in case you find any errors or any difficulty installing node on your machine, just make sure that you leave your doubts on the comments and I will answer your doubts. And if you are new to the channel, make sure you subscribe it as well because we have lots of programming tutorials coming in future. So I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.